This is the B40 knife. It says B Professional folding knife model. EL-05. Get this from xduck.com. Check out the link below or in the description. Nice wood handle. Like the feeling nice and smooth. 12 screws. Pocket clip, pretty sturdy. Feels pretty sturdy. There's some play in it though. Supersized lanyard hole. It has a little flaw right there, because you see right there, the blade sticking out. It's can potentially cut the cord, whatever you want to put in there. Possibly, but it's sticking out just a little bit. Just enough to cut it. That's a super big lanyard hole. Never seen a hole that size before. So this is the EL model EL-05. Pick up the blade. Super big blade. Wide blade, I should say. Probably measured about 2.5 inches. Comes pretty sharp. Be kind of tricky to sharpen this because the curves, it's not straight sign, but that pretty cool. Blade steel is 8CR at 13 MOV. Liner lock. Got plastic bushings in it. No jimping on the blade. Nice and smooth. Torque screws. And pocket clip has a bit play in it. But I guess if you tighten it up a bit, probably would but it does have some play in it. The blade itself, oh, solid, up and down, left, right, solid. So that's the EL-05, which you can see once again. You can get it from xduck.com. There's a 10% off coupon at the bottom description. Use that for your first order. Get 10% off.